In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use curved arrow in PowerPoint. If you want to highlight movement, show a process, or direct attention from one part of a slide to another, a curved arrow can be a really useful shape to add. PowerPoint includes this option built in, and once you know where to find it, it's very quick to use. To begin, go to the Insert tab at the top of PowerPoint. This is where you'll find the tools for adding visual elements to your slide, including pictures, text boxes, icons, and shapes. From there, click on Shapes. This opens the full Shapes menu, where PowerPoint groups different types of lines, arrows, callouts, and basic shapes together. If you don't see the exact arrow right away, just take a moment to scan through the options carefully. Now look for the curved arrow shape. Depending on your version of PowerPoint, it may appear among the block arrows or in a nearby section of the Shapes gallery. Once you find it, click on it to select it. This tells PowerPoint that the next thing you do on the slide will be to place that shape. Next, start drawing on your slide. Click and drag with your mouse to create the curved arrow. The size of the arrow will depend on how far you drag. So if it doesn't look right the first time, don't worry. You can redraw it or resize it after placing it. The goal here is simply to get the arrow onto the slide so you can begin adjusting it. After that, you can change the weight of the arrow to make it thinner or thicker. First, click Shape Outline. This option lets you control the border style of the arrow, which is especially helpful if you want the arrow to stand out more clearly in a presentation. Then click Weight and choose the thickness you want. A heavier weight can make the arrow easier to see from a distance, while a lighter weight may look cleaner and more subtle. Choose the one that best fits your slide design and the importance of the element you're pointing to. You can also adjust the curve of the arrow. This is useful when you want the arrow to wrap more naturally around text, images, or other objects on the slide. After selecting the arrow, look for the adjustment handle and drag it to change the shape of the curve until it looks the way you want. And that's how to use a curved arrow in PowerPoint. Once you've placed it, adjusted the line weight, and refined the curve, you'll have a cleaner and more polished visual to guide your audience's attention.